video, we're going to show you how to make a quick, sweet and creamy iced coffee in a little portable blender. Perfectly brewed iced coffee. And now you can put ice in here or just drink it. Stay tuned for the whole video. What's good, everybody? On today's video, we're going to show you this Nescafe sweet and creamy iced original instant coffee. Is delicious and it's super simple to make. They come in these little sachets, so they're portable, very easy to take with you on the go, office, work, in the car, anything. And the great thing is there's a tear tab that's very easy to tear, and then you pour it in. There are 16 of these. Each sachet contains only 60 calories, and you only add cold water with ice if you want. Here are the ingredients, and for every sachet you get 0.5 grams of fat, 0.4 saturated, only 12 grams of sugar, and as a bonus you get 2 grams of protein. You only need to pour 150 to 200 ml of water, which is basically almost half a cup. I like to pour a little more water because I don't like it super sweet. Then you just mix it. And it's ready to go. Now, if you happen to have a little portable blend jet like this, even better, and then you can drink it right from it. So that's it. Now, if you're into more hot beverage, they also have these hot French vanilla or standard instant coffee mixes. They also come in sachets. They just look a little different, and they require hot water. Now, if you want something more sweeter and more creamy, add milk on top of the water. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.